Hi guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial will be very quick one and very simple. So I just created like 4 plates to 5 plates there. So guys, yeah, I'm very strong here, but I just have to film this video for you guys because some of you have been requesting me to do a DIY tutorial for you guys, and you guys say you want something very simple. So I just say let me quickly do this one for you guys. So I just throw the hand of the gele. So for this gele guys is 70-30 ratio. For this gele 70-30 ratio. So all I did there is that when I roll it finish, I now bring the two hands to the front, now tie it. So if you notice me in this video, I'm just looking down. There's this gele that I saw on Instagram. That is the gele I'm trying to achieve here. So that is why I'm looking at the way I'm going to create it that will look similar with the one I saw on Instagram. So I'm very sorry about that. That is why I'm just looking at down. I'm trying to look at the picture to do what I saw there. So if you notice, I'm just trying to form it to just achieve what I saw on that picture. You will be seeing the picture when I merge it with this one, but I thank God it really come out very nice. So this gele guys is something very simple. So for the gele that I saw on Instagram, they use Ankara, but I say let me use Ashoke because it's not everybody that will love the Ankara if I use it. But if you want me to use Ankara to do this the same style, you can let me know at the description box below. Let me know, and please guys try to comment. Let me know what you think about my video. Maybe I'm doing good, maybe I'm doing better, or I'm just doing rubbish. Let me know at the comment section below. Please follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. So that is all guys. Love you.